Back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. Sometimes it make me smile. Back in the days when I was young, I was a kid again. I'm a kid again. All the time I be doing kid like stuff, be joking around and playing and smile. Hey, but you know I'm a grown man. Don't worry about the days that I used to play in the sand. Have my feet in the sand, have my feet in the beach. But right now I got my feet on the pavement. Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore, but I'm a kid still, cause I be doing kid-like things like drill. I be drill tealing when I'm dancing. And so right now in the present days, I be feeling like I'm a big kid. But back in the days when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. I had a childhood like I was a little kid. And now I'm still a little kid, but I'm grown with the wisdom. Back in the day when I was kid, I was smart and advanced, and right now I'm smart and advanced still. Back in the day, back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. I just want to tell you that I got a kid-like mentality sometimes. I like to play ball sometimes. Basketball is my favorite sport, and you know soccer is too, and baseball. I like it all. I be playing it good. Yeah, you know, I be playing real, soft, like softball, but yeah. And so back in the day, I was so genuine, like what, like jungle. Back in the day, I was so genuine, like what, like back in the day, I was so genuine, like what, like jungle, through the jungle. Back in the day when I was kid, I'm not a kid anymore. Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. As far as looking for the bay, hey, back in the day, hey, I'm not a kid anymore. Oh. Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. It's Ray on the beat with no beat though. Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. Right now, I still act like a kid though. It's good right now, but I do. I got a grown mentality, but I don't. Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore. When I was a kid, I didn't feel like I was young. I felt like I was older though. Back in the day, right now, I feel like I'm older though. Right now, I feel like a little kid still. Back in the day when I was young. Back in the day, but right now I feel like I'm not a kid, yo. Back in the day when I was young, I felt like a kid, yo. Back in the day, I didn't feel like a kid, yo. Back in the day, right now in these days, I feel like a kid again. Back in the day, right now today, I feel like a grown person with a wisdom like I am from the bay. Back in the day, back in the day, back in the day when I was a kid again. Back in the day when I was young, I'm not a kid anymore.